Ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a new toolbox. This is the US General Series 3, 72 inch, and we got this extra cabinet here on the side. I've had this for about a week now. I've been using it on and off, in and out of just about every drawer for the past week. And I'm going to be doing a review today on this box. I'm going to go over the finish, I'm going to go over the drawers, how well they open, the locks on them, how well the box rolls around. You know, I'll show you what I have in each drawer so you can kind of see if it's going to work for what you got. But yeah, thanks for stopping in, and let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to go over here is the finish on the box. I'm just going to kind of go around. I mean, you can see it, it's really nice. It's got like that orange peel in it, if you can kind of see, but I mean, keep in mind that this whole video, this isn't a very expensive box. I mean, you're gonna pay for it, but you're not gonna be paying a lot in terms of what a toolbox costs. But, and I've looked at mine over pretty close. It didn't have any damage to it. You can kind of see the drawers. You know, it looks good. It's not a crappy finish. It's clean, the color's nice, it's all even. The back side's the same. You got your stickers on there, and you got, you know, your plug back here for the power drawer. We'll go over that in a minute, but in general, finish, paint, I can't speak for the other colors, but this slate gray looks pretty damn good. All right, so this is the part everybody's watching this video for, is the drawers, the locks, how well they slide, how much they hold, you know, how deep the drawers go, how deep can you put stuff in it. So let's go over that really quick. So we'll start up here. This is my socket drawer. I don't really have it packed full, but there is some stuff in here. I'm in and out of this one all the time, grabbing sockets, grabbing ratchets, you know, whatever. And especially with it being the widest drawer on this box, aside from, you know, your shorter one there, is it's not bad. I can say if you're opening from over here, if you're not pulling hard enough, it will catch. But I'm nitpicking it right now because some guys, it's a big deal to them. Some, they don't really care. Me, it's not really that big of a deal, but it slides easy, and just give it kind of a push there. Not a real hard one, but a medium push. Slides good. I really don't have anything to complain about here. The initial opening isn't bad. There is no like getting stuck. Maybe a little bit on some of them, but if you're pulling like you normally would, then it's not going to be a problem. Now your power drawer here, this one's a little stiffer, but you got this here. This is where your power cord runs in and wraps around, and you got a little extra resistance besides your slides here. So this one's going to be stiffer. It might wear in as the box gets used. Who knows, maybe it won't, but just a little note there. And down here, just for show, this isn't crazy loaded, but there are some heavy things in this drawer, and it slides pretty good. I really can't complain. Just kind of give it a push here. Easy. I mean, it's toolbox, you know, it opens and it closes, and it might not be smooth like butter, but it definitely doesn't get in the way of you working. I'll say that. You know, the drawers don't get hung up very bad. You do have to pull a little more on your slide release to get the drawer to open. But like I've said before, in time, as you open these drawers a lot, especially if you're working out of it every day, I can almost guarantee that's gonna wear down and get easier. I'm gonna add here too, since this was a popular thing, is the drawer shaking. All of them do it. You know, it doesn't matter if it's a Snap-on box, if it's a Matco box, if it's an Icon or US General, they all shake. Now, the expensive ones Won't do it as much, but it's still gonna have some play. And I don't know about you guys, but every time I open my drawer to get a socket or a wrench or anything, you know, I'm not shaking the drawer. It doesn't get in your way. You know, if you close it, open it, you know, it's not shaking all over the place. It's not pissing you off. It's a clean open and close, and there's nothing really to complain about there. All right, so we'll go ahead and go over, you know, rolling your box around really quick. You have your release for your wheels down here. Just pop them up with your foot, like that. The other one here, pretty easy. The box steers on one end, and it's fixed on the other end. And it turns pretty easy. This turns better than my Series 2, and it's bigger, and there's more weight in it, and it's great, really. It really is a breeze rolling this thing around wherever you need to go with it. It rolls like a Snap-on box, I'll say that. It's no trouble at all. All right, so right now I'm gonna go over just the lock mechanism and how well it works, how easy it is. They give you plenty of keys. There's 4 keys for the main box, and then this side box, there's 4 keys here too. They make sure you got plenty of keys. So right now, the box is unlocked, everything's free. I'm gonna go ahead and put my key in here. Turn it counterclockwise, that's gonna lock it. So, you know, there's that box there, that drawer, this drawer here, this drawer here, this drawer here, get down here, this drawer here, this drawer here, you know. It locks good. These aren't the really most quality keys and lock, I'm sure, I will say that, but I mean, if you have to lock your box, then I guess it's gonna be enough for you. Same on this side, you know, it's open, it's unlocked. I'm gonna take our key here, lock, locked, locked. And it's a good lock. I mean, they don't really budge a whole lot. Go ahead and unlock it. Get back in, clockwise. Just like that. Not too bad. Not the greatest quality, I'll say that, but I guess it works. You know, if you got this box at your work or whatever, then I'd say it's enough to keep people out of it. All right, guys, that does it for the review of this box. This is my first time really doing a review on something, so if I missed something, if I left something out, feel free to leave a comment and tell me. I'll be happy to put out another video, including anything that you guys want to see. I'll be posting a actual tour of this box, how I have it set up, everything I have in here later. But for now, thanks for watching. If you'd like to, subscribe to the channel. I put stuff like this out all the time, you know, working on trucks, whatever. It's whatever I'm doing, it's on the channel. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.